I'm Birdie with Film Tampa Bay, and here's a whole lineup of all the fun film events happening this week that you might want to go to. Second Screen Cult Cinema returns to Screen Door Micro Cinema in Ybor City for a screening of The Fog on April 10th at 7 p.m. This classic old-school horror movie, of course, is about the fog and its wanton disregard for a small town. It also features a very young Jamie Lee Curtis and her mother, horror movie veteran Janet Leigh. Second Screen hosts a post-screening discussion, so as always, make sure you stick around after the movie. Head over to Coastal Creative in St. Pete for a screening of Bad Tenant, a movie that was made entirely in Tampa Bay. The movie follows a new homeowner who rents out her spare bedroom, and as the movie progresses, we get to watch the two descend into chaos. This is a free screening, but you need to register to reserve your seat, and I'd act fast because this movie looks really cool. And finally, April is Autism Awareness Month. Head over to the Tampa Theater for a free community screening of In a Different Key, a documentary that follows a man named Donald and his story as the first ever person to be diagnosed with autism. In a Different Key shows just how much one man's community can really affect his life, so come out for this free screening and enjoy it with your community. And don't forget to follow Film Tampa Bay so that you don't miss the Birdwatch every Monday.